Transmitting love meditation. Sit facing Mahavatar Kriya Babaji with spine straight, eyes open, and chant 3 Oms. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, let go of all the worries you had during the day and concentrate on your breath. Observe how the air comes into your lungs through your nostrils and how it comes out. Don't force your breathing, only observe. Then go deep into your heart. There you see this light, this sweet energy in your heart, this love. Now you can open your eyes. Look into Mahavatar Babaji's eyes with concentrated awareness and send him love. Now, continue looking at him into the eyes and feel he is sending love back to you. Close your eyes and go back into your heart. Observe this light, this sweet vibration, this love for a while. you can send this love and this light to all your friends, your family, your parents, your children, all the people you love. Let's also send it to people you love less. Then send it to the village, the city where you live. Expand it to the whole region, the whole country, the whole continent, the whole planet. The planet Earth is immersed in your love. Now you send your love to the whole universe. And then you bring your love back into your heart in a very brightly point that you observe for a while. Then you can slowly open your eyes.